Well, hello there, and welcome to Backyard Unboxing with Jams. Now, it's just a sunny afternoon, and I figure it's best to do this outside. So today we're going to take a look at some other gear we don't usually get. These are pretty expensive. So this is the Dyson Corrale. It is, and this is the gift edition. You know what it's for. So it is a hair straightener with flexing plates that shaped together here. That's what it says. So it comes with, well, this one comes with these accessories. I don't think I actually need an extra set of cons, but more is the better. So I won't complain. And it comes with the same color I got with the hair dryer. And this comes actually with a battery warning here, so that leads me to believe that this actually is portable. I wasn't sure. So this comes with the detangling comb and the paddling brush, as you will see. Let's go ahead and get to the unboxing part. All right, enough of the pitter patter. Okay, so that's what it is. Typical Dyson. So Dyson, if you don't know, is like the Apple of hair stuff. All their stuff is expensive, but you cannot deny that they are well built, thought about, and pretty useful, and most times revolutionary. Even the comb here. The tanker comb is actually one of the favorites, one of my favorites when I used to have really long hair. So let's take that out, if it will let me. All right, that's because it comes as it comes. So you've got the hairbrush, nice hairbrush. I don't have to demo that, but that's how that looked like if you have not seen a Dyson hairbrush. And that's the reason why I use the light here, so that we can see the colors, the pretty colors. On hindsight, this looks to be of a different design. I remember the other brush was of a more squarish rubber feel, so that's got a different tactile feel to it. And this is, of course, the detangling brush at the back, again with the I guess a Fuchsia pink accents. Nice detangling brush. Right, so that goes there. And we've got the heavy main unit. This is pretty heavy, and I'm looking if there's, you know me, I always check if there's anything else in the box. Like, did I miss anything? There is apparently nothing else in here, so everything else is contained within this box, which, okay, so right, so thankfully I don't have to slit. I took a quick look of it. So if you're interested in the apparently the blueprint of this product, it's actually over here. I don't know if you can see it, but that talks about how the parts are. Let me put it closer. There. If you're into blueprints, and, well, not actually blueprint, but you know what I'm saying. So that's a nice piece of detail. So this is the brush itself. Let's take a look at everything else before we open up the main item there. So what else is in the box? Take that. All right, appears to be some kind of charging mats. Well, let's open it up, shall we? So, of course, this is the flight ready bag. Interesting. So this flight ready bag, right, so it says you actually have to disconnect the battery. So wow. Oh, pull out the flight ready tag to disconnect the battery. So there is a battery, and there is a way to disconnect the battery by just removing the tag, putting it in flight mode. Basically, removing the electrical connection. So it comes in a nice, really nice bag here. Let's open that up so we can take a look at what we got. Right, that is the actual item, and it comes with this the flight tag. This is how you remove the connections here. There, this is the flight tag. Putting it so you can see there all the instructions that you need. Let's get down to it. I'll remove that for a bit. Right, so you can remove this tag, and so it's a hair straightener. It's a hair straightener, and I'm trying to figure out. So that's a lock. So once you flip that button there, that flips to lock it in place, and with a nice clicky design. That's how you turn it on, and you increase or decrease the power by pressing those buttons. Right, and if you will see this, there's this rubber piece here. You remove that rubber piece and then you connect it here. Right, as you can see, there's some electrical. Let me see if I can get that in the camera there. So you basically remove that piece and basically you well, not short it, but remove the connectivity there, so making it flight ready. These are a nice, I don't know if it's actually gold or copper or something. We can read about it, but again, this is of a, I guess a, whatever material is, some ceramic perhaps, but it's a Dyson, so yeah, I trust it. Cannot deny that I love the engineering put into this particular item, which is why it comes at a premium. I'll put that forward so we can stop looking at it for a bit. So what else do we have here? This is the styling tips and guides. Right, I think that's a stand. Okay, we might as well open that up already and be done with this piece already. Right, okay. So what are these? These are, oh, literally, yeah, this is the stand. Definitely the stand. So, and the instructions on how to use the stand step by step. Right there. So this is the piece. This is a heavy piece. And you will see there are, that's where you basically plug it, and this piece. So these bottom pieces go together. That's how it is. And to make sure that this does stand, you have a guide. We might as well assemble it. For those who are interested. So that is the piece over there. I believe that's how you assemble this thing. There we go. There is your stand. Let me turn it around for you. Yeah, there is no plug on this thing. This is the plug. This is where you actually put the plug. So it's a charging stand. Let's put this on the stand. So if you will see, it's a, sorry, let me find that. There, and there. They are the same items. So what you do is you just, oops, how do you put this thing on top? You literally just put it on top. And that should be charging. Okay, it's just you. So there are 3 connectors, and the 3 connectors hit this ring here. And that's how that looks like. Let me see if I can put this aside here for a bit. And what other goodies do we have in the bag? Nothing else. Last piece of the puzzle. This should be the charging cable. Should be. There you go. And remember, this is for travel and for the airplane. I'm sure you can use that on the airplane without having to charge it. It's got a battery in it, so it's portable, but this is how to recharge that battery. Again, this comes with the regulatory compliance and all that stuff in terms of batteries and all that stuff. Set that aside. I'll read it later. And this is rated input 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 1.8 amps input, and 7.3 volts, or equivalent 3.7 to 4 amps output. I think I can use a battery charger to keep this running. Right, so again, nice functional way of holding cardboard. It's a two-prong. There's no need to ground this. It's not high voltage. It's got a clip here, so you can, once you're done, you can clip it. And again, you will see the familiar. Let me see. There we go. That's the same. So it's the same without the stand. You can directly connect this any which way here, and as you can see, it will spin. It spins. Essentially, you can use this while it is plugged, and it's not easy to get unplugged. So while you're charging it, you can use this thing. Great. Actually, it's not like that. It's not maracas. You put your hair in there and you start straightening it. You will see the wife or girlfriend or whoever or me do this at some point once I get my hair back. Given this time of COVID, I'm likely to grow my hair really long again. So there you are. So that's a quick unboxing. Taking a look at the pieces of this piece of hair tech. Let me set that here to appreciate, and that's how. Let me put that here. So as the charging base, C to appreciate, and the bag. And yeah, and that's it. So thanks for taking a look at this quick video review of the Dyson Corrale. And again, click subscribe and put a like, comments, or put your questions out there. I'll see if I can respond to them as soon as possible, because it looks like we're going on another trip, which is why we have this. It needs to be able to get on a flight, survive a flight, and look fancy. All right, okay.